Let's review how to solve an equation that has variables on both sides. Your steps are located on the left. These are going to help you work through solving an equation. The first step is to distribute if needed, and in this case we do need to distribute because we have the 2 being multiplied by the expression 3x plus 9. So we're going to distribute that 2 in by multiplying the 2 by the 3x and by that 9. So that's going to give us 6x plus 18 on the left or the right hand side. Just going to drop down what we have on the left. Now, step 2 is to clear fractions if needed, but as you can see, we have no fractions here, so we can just continue on to number 3, which is to combine terms on either side of the equal sign. If you look here on the left-hand side of the equal sign, we do have like terms that we can combine together. So 18x and minus 5x, or a negative 5x, is going to give you 13x minus 7, and then equals 6x plus 18. So now from here, we can use inverse operations to isolate that variable. So what we're going to do is we're going to draw a dividing line right through that equal sign so that we know what we do to one side of the equation, we have to see it on the other side as well. So we're going to move the smaller variable term first. So between 13x and 6x, the 6x is actually smaller. Since it's positive, we're going to subtract 6x from both sides, like so. You want to make sure that you line it up underneath the 13x since those are like terms. So 13x minus 6x is 7x. Drop down your minus 7. Drop down your equal sign. 6x minus 6x is going to subtract to 0, so we're just going to be left with the 18th, so we're just going to drop that down. Then you want to move the constant to the other side. So since our constant is that negative 7 or minus 7, we're going to add 7 to both sides. And that gives us 7x equals 25. Now your last step, since that x is actually not isolated just yet, is we need to divide by 7. Since these two are multiplied like so, since they are attached, it's one piece, we need to divide like so, and we get x equals 25 over 7.